Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading the photo and protecting the original. Duplicate the background layer immediately so you can always revert. Next, inspect the area to remove and zoom to 100 or 200% for accuracy. Choose the lasso, polygonal lasso, or pen tool for the initial selection. The goal is to isolate the unwanted element with a small margin. Once done, refine the edge slightly using Feather 0, 52px, so the repair blends naturally into surrounding pixels. Now remove the object using a method that fits the texture. For broad, patterned areas, go to Edit Fill and pick Content-Aware Fill. It analyzes and fills from surrounding pixels. For edges or complex detail, switch to the Healing Brush or Clone Stamp. Set an appropriate brush hardness and Alt/Option-click to sample a clean source. Make small strokes and frequently toggle the visibility of your duplicate layer to compare. Make sure to work non-destructively by using a new layer when cloning or healing. Finish by refining edges and blending tones. Use the Spot Healing tool for tiny artifacts, lightly smudge or Gaussian blur at 0. 52px to soften seams, and apply levels or curves to match color and contrast. Once satisfied, toggle the original layer on and off to ensure invisibility of edits, then save a PSD copy for future tweaks. Export a flattened PNG or JPEG for sharing. Troubleshooting tip: if patches look repeating, undo and change clone source or increase select.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.